Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today's collection is all about classic beauty with a bold twist. Let's explore 15 red and white wedding cake designs, a perfect symbol of love, passion, and tradition. The first one is three-tier rose cascade cake, smooth white buttercream with cascading red roses from top to base, a timeless romantic favorite. The next is ribbon tie cake, a cake with simple wrapped red stained fondant ribbons on each tire, perfect for classic celebrations. The next is white cake with red lace piping. Delicate red lace piping over smooth fondant, feminine and graceful, inspired by bridal fashion. The next is heart topper red and white cake. A single tire on two-tier cake with red hearts, pearls, and a love theme topper for a modern vibe. The next is minimal red rose accent cake. White buttercream with just a single deep red rose and a matching pastel at the base. Soft, simple, and sweet. The next is red umbo top bottom tie cake. White upper tie with the base fading from white to red in an umbo style. Subtle color transition add. The next is white floral lace with red sugar flowers. White fondant decorated with edible lace and handcrafted red sugar balloons. The next is tall one-tier red bloom cake, a single tall tier cake featuring one layer red or pony in the center, minimal yet impactful. The next is red velvet inspired outer design, a cake that reflects the inside red outer fondant with white cream inspired details. Great for red velvet lovers. The next is red and white checkerboard cake, alternating fondant panel in red and white with clean lines and symmetry. Playful yet elegant. The next is all white cake with red petal dusting. A soft white base dusted with red edible petal dust or paint splashes. Artistic and romantic. The next is deep red ruffle bottom cake, top tied and red fondant ruffles at the bottom, a beautiful blend of texture and contrast. Soft meets bold. The next is traditional Pakistani and Indian style cake, red and gold floral cake, work on white fondant inspired by traditional bridal colors, perfect for cultural weddings. The next is red drip on white buttercream, smooth buttercream with red drip effect, topped with matching and red balloon blooms, modern and eye-catching. The next is fondant and pearl red crown roses cake. White fondant base decorated with edible pearl and a sugar roses crown on the top. Luxury every detail. Red and white is a combination of pure love and bold emotions. And these cake designs are made to celebrate just that. Which red and white cake stole your heart? Tell us in the comment below. Like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas and share this video with the bride to be or wedding planner to make their event more special. See you in the next video. Goodbye.